Hello and welcome to the second instalment of the EL-SIE tutorials. In this tutorial we'll be looking into how to use the EL-SIE once we've set all our parameter thresholds in the EasyLog software. In this video we'll be looking into how to move between the different channels and how to move between the minimum and maximum readings. We'll also be looking into the alarms and what they look like in the EL-SIE screen. When the log's connected, the phrase USB is visible in the EL-SIE's LCD screen. Depending on what start mode you chose in the EasyLog software, the EL-SIE will either start recording automatically, start after a delay, or push to start. If you chose push to start, a long press of either of the EL-SIE's buttons will commence login. Once your logger has started login, this is the first screen you will see. And as you can see here, this screen is the temperature channel. This screen shows us that it's monitoring the temperature in our environment. And it's really easy to switch between our different channels. A short press of the top button takes us through to the humidity channel. A short press of the top button again takes us through to the pressure channel. A short press again takes us through to our last channel. In this screen you can choose to stop the logger, which you can do if you want to while on the screen with a long press of the bottom button. Otherwise we press the top button again and we're back to the first channel. To view the min and max values recorded so far for each channel, you do a short press of the bottom button. First you'll go to the minimum temperature recorded, which is confirmed by the min sign at the top of the screen. And if you press the bottom button again, you go through to the maximum temperature recorded, also confirmed by the max sign at the top of the screen. If we press the bottom button one last time, we come back to the current temperature readings. You can reset the min and max for all channels together with a long press of the top button. This only works when the min and max screens are on display. So to recap, it's a short press of the top button to go between the different channels and a short press of the bottom button to see the min and max values. In the EasyLog software you can set a number of alarms, and these alarms all have different symbols in the EL-SIE screen, indicating to the user which alarm has been breached. If a pre-alarm is active, you will see a bell and a hollow arrow. If the arrow is pointing up, it's a high alarm. And if the arrow is pointing down, it's a low pre-alarm. If you can only see a hollow bell, you have to press the top button to take you through the channels until you find the bell and the arrow. The arrow indicates that this is the channel with the breached alarm. If your EL-SIE's high alarm has been breached, the EL-SIE will show a bell and a solid black arrow. If the alarm is being held, then there will also be a bar visible as well. When a cumulative alarm is activated, there's an extra icon that appears inside the alarm icon. To clear the count of a cumulative alarm, you have to stop and restart the logger. You can clear other held alarms by going to the current regions on any channel and doing a long press of the top button. This cancels the hold on all alarms on all channels. For pre-alarms, the yellow LED will flash, but if a full alarm triggers, and that includes a cumulative alarm, then it's the red LED instead. If the sounder is enabled, this will also start beeping. If the sounder is in operation, a long press of the bottom button from any of the channel screens mutes the sounder for 15 minutes, or until a new alarm is activated. If you plug your EL-SIE back into your computer, the display goes back to saying USB, although it will also show you any alarms or warning icons if any of these are still active.